Hello P5 students! Welcome back to our science class with Miss Ida, and we are now on the last topic for Unit 3. So we will learn Lesson E, what happens in the life cycle of flowering plant. Let's get our Science People's book and open it on pages 82 to 85 for watching this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's start learning! Our learning outcomes are the following. Recognize the process of pollination, fertilization, seed production, seed dispersal, and germination involved in the reproduction of flowering plants. Observe that flowering plants have life cycles. To get started, what will happen to the seeds after they are dispersed? Let's try to find out. The stages of growth and development from a seed into an adult plant repeat in a cycle. These stages make up the life cycle of a flowering plant. So let's try to study the diagram. This is the life cycle of a bean plant. So first thing is germination takes place if conditions are right. So this one, the seed. Then the seedling grows into a young plant on these stages. The young plant grows into an adult plant which can produce flowers. This is this part, children. The flowers develop into fruits with seeds if pollination, fertilization, and seed production take place. And after that, it's seed dispersal taking place, and the cycle repeats itself. So in going further, some flowering plants can reproduce from plant parts such as leaves, stems, and roots. So let's try to study the leaf of the bryophyllum plant. New plant growing from leaf. Look at it, children. This one is quite unique, right? New plant are growing from its leaf. Next example, we have the underground stem of the ginger plant. I'm sure you are very familiar with this. So this part is the new plant from underground stem. Another example is root of the sweet potato plant. So these are the new plant growing from root. Moving on, we have also here the fern plant that has sacs containing spores on the underside of a fern plant. These children, look at this. I want you to take a look on these leaves. Later, if you can come to school, we will use a microscope. So ferns and mosses are non-flowering plants which do not produce seeds. They produce spores for reproduction. And the last example is, we have here the moss plant. Yeah, these are the capsules containing red spores. So most plants, like fern plants, they reproduce through spores. So for this lesson, children, we have learned the different stages of growth and development from a seed to an adult plant make up the life cycle of a flowering plant. So first we have from the seed, then it goes to a germination process, becomes a seedling, going to a young plant, an adult plant with flowers, where pollination, fertilization, and seed production taking place, and then becomes an adult plant with fruit, and then seed dispersal comes in, and the cycle repeats itself. And that ends our lesson for today, children. Thanks for watching and enjoy learning. Ms.Ida will discuss more about Lesson E during our Zoom meeting. Take care everyone and see you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless.